So once you've opened Google Classroom, the first thing you need to do is to create your class. The way we do that is go to the top right here, click on the plus sign, and click on Create Class. Just take note of that Join Class button as well. But for now, we're going to create class. Here we're going to name our class require, and then we'll leave the other things blank and just press create. It does take a bit of time for this to load up, but once it's loaded, we're ready to go then. There it is. So along the top here now, we've got stream, classwork, people, and marks. If we go into people, you'll notice that I'm the only teacher there and there are no students there. So we need to get students a part of this class. You could go to this button here and invite people manually, or copy the invitation link there and you could send it to them. But the way I'd recommend is that if you went back into your stream and then display this class code. So all the students or pupils would require is this code here, and then if you could share that code by sending it on Seesaw or email. It's up to you, or you could even put it on the whiteboard and then have the children copy it straight to the devices or onto a notebook, which then they could use later on. So they'd take that code there, and then they'd go into their Google Classrooms, which looks similar, and then they'd go in the plus sign, and instead of pressing Create Class, they'd press the Join Class, and then they'd import the class code into there and press Join at the top there, and then that's it. Then they're part of that class. So if I go back now to the class, Moyler Park, and then along the top here, we've got people. If I go into people again, there may be some instances where you're required to have more than one teacher as part of a class. So the way you do that is you'd press this button here, and you'd simply type an email address that consists of the hubcymru.net domain. Click on that, and then press invite, and then they'll get a notification then asking them to be a part of that class, which will then enable them to have the same access as you as the main teacher.